We got 1 Chelsea, 2 Chelseas, 3 of them, 4 Chelseas, 5 Chelseas, 6 Chelseas! Chelsea at the bottom, Chelsea at the top, Chelsea at the front, Chelsea at the back, Chelsea really fat, Chelsea big as a whale, Chelsea worship Baal and going to hell. She's Chelsea. Chelsea ain't cool, Chelsea ain't gnarly. Chelsea don't ride Harleys, because if she does, she's so fat she'll look like Saddleback Shawty. Chelsea! He's a 50-year-old Fallout boy! I really love you, Chelsea. I'm pretending I'm a preteen. Pentagram on my head tonight. And when I ride my Harley, I wear a Power Ranger helmet. I really think I look cool. My favorite color is lime green. Oh yeah. Chelsea. He rides a motorcycle like a Canadian hall monitor. This motherfucker going on a ride where the top speed limit is 45 miles an hour. He dressed like it's Fallout 6. He dressed like he's going to play paintball for 2 people. He looked like a Cyberpunk gladiator out here doing all this. He has 12 blinkers. One blinker, when you click it, it says, I'm turning left. I'll sue you if you hit me tonight. That's what it does when he clicks the blinker. I had Trevor Blu-ray put LED strips on his helmet. When he clicked, he was all hooked up. Looking like getting a brain scan. No, he's just going for a Sunday ride, dressed as a cyberpunk gladiator. When he walks, it sounds like a bunch of Astro Jacks hitting the floor. He clicks his blinker. I'm turning left. And it's like his helmet's blinking. Like he had a bad idea, just blinking. I'm going left. I'm a lefty loosey. It's like, God damn. Is that look like a satellite just landed at this 4-way. What is that? We're going to investigate you, Mr. Chelsea, until you're nothing but skin and bones. This motherfucker, okay, so let's get this straight. Somehow, Blue Moon is in this guy's name, I think. It's already been confirmed by the storage unit people that this motherfucker rented a storage unit in my name, that he used his license. He was talking to a West Virginia realtor and blocking me from selling this house in West Virginia that I just now recently have found out was never sold. V-Loose told me it was sold. Well, according to this West Virginia realtor who has no reason to lie, he said that old Chelsea has been blocking it from getting sold and knew about it just sitting there the entire time. Mr. Chelsea was also apparently renting this house over here in Pegram. We're about to drive by it. We're going to see what this house looks like that Mr. Chelsea was renting. Damn, fix your driveway. Is Chelsea here? And the reason why I just showed you guys that house that Mr. Chelsea was renting is because there's something weird with that place. First off, don't tell none of us about it. Second off, he has people that fly in that produce music with me. He had somebody stay there one time without me knowing. First off, why would you stay there? Why wouldn't the producer just stay with me or stay at one of my other houses? Why would you send a producer there to a random house that you rented, Mr. Chelsea? We were wondering that. So when I called him about this situation, this got defensive and was acting all weird for apparently no reason. Which that don't make no sense. And guess what? I recorded it! So this person that works for me is like, yo, this place Chad got me staying at is weird. This guy that's a drummer here is like weird or whatever, right? So I'm like, okay, come back to my house. You ain't got to stay there, whatever. I said, we're going to search my car too, because if I don't know about this place, I don't want, my producer using my car and going to stay at this place that's just weird. So we search it. We find that tracker in it. So I'm like, okay. I was like, I'm going to call Chad and ask him, does these people have cameras? Right? This freaks out, dog. He's like, what are you insinuating? I didn't do anything. I'm like, yo, relax. Then that's when I was like, okay, I'm going to ask him some questions about this place because he's acting too weird. What is there to sound an alarm on?
What is there to sound an alarm on? What do you mean?
You just said I'm about to sound the alarm on all the... What are you talking about?
All the cops tell them there's a tracker in your car. It's very simple. We just call them and say, hey, someone put a tracker in my car. Here's the tracker. That's what I'm saying.
Why are you mad about it?
Because I don't understand what you're trying to say. Because I just got awoke from, I was literally dead asleep. And I'm trying to wake up and understand. I don't know what you're trying to say, Ryan. What are you trying to say about the tracker or the rental?
I'm trying to say, I've been being told it's an Airbnb.
When I say Airbnb, it is also an Airbnb. This guy rents out the entire, he has 1, 2, 3 different rooms.
Who's renting it to you?
The individual from, here, I'll take his name. Oh, wait.
Sound the alarm on all this shit is really a weird thing to say.
You're reading into it way too much. I was just awoken from sleep. What I'm saying is call the cops. That's what I'm saying. Call the police. Call the cops.
Can I not call you to ask if there's cameras on this Airbnb? What is your problem?
I don't have any problem, dude. I was just woken up. I don't understand what's going on with the tracker. I didn't put a tracker in your car. I don't understand what you're trying to insinuate.
I'm trying to insinuate to ask if there's cameras on the building. That's it. I don't know why you're getting so mad.
That's what I'm saying. If you've got someone put a tracker in your car, don't you just call the police?
Chad, if there's cameras, it will show who put it in there. I'm not angry. I'm asking you a question, bro.
I have no idea if there are cameras there, Ryan. I don't know. I can call the guy and ask him.
What's the address? Okay, and what's the guy's name?
That's what I'm looking for. Chris.
Okay, what's the other people?
That's it. He's the guy, him and his wife, I think, that rented out.
Okay, how old are they, you think?
Chris is probably, if I had to guess, probably late 30s, early 40s.
Okay. When did this place start being rented?
I started communicating with him back in September.